Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. This is like more so me holding this camera up today. I don't have my hat on, but it's a special video. We're gonna go and test drive a couple cars today. Not for me, but for my brother who's with me here.
Yo,
Hold on. Bam.
yo, it's good.
I don't think I've introduced my brother on this channel, but his name is Jazz, and he's got a YouTube channel himself, which I'm gonna link down below. But we're gonna go find him a new car today, or potentially go search for his next car.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. I need a new car, man.
How many?
Had that Mazda 3 for like 8 years now.
8 years. What year did you get?
2016.
2016. Dang. That was like March? No. Around springtime, right?
Yeah.
I remember it was before I went to university that we picked that car up. Wow, that was a fun story too. But yeah, so we're gonna go and see these cars. We're on our way right now. We'll see you when we're there and share more insight on the Mazda and the other two cars we're gonna go see. Let's go. We just made it to the dealership. Jazz is recording out there. This is so funny. There's like a vlogception going down, but we're at the Mazda dealer. Go inside and go talk to the guy and get the keys to this car, man. Let's go. Oh wow, they have this thing parked front and center. All right, this is the car we're checking out. Jazz is in there with the sales rep right now, and yeah, dude, it looks pretty clean. Do a little walk around with it. BBS wheels. It's the hard top, which is awesome. And then, yeah, the color's super nice. It's gray with like brown on the inside. I'll show it later, but
Let's try this right now. What do you think?
it looks very cool, man. It looks super cool.
Yeah.
So they just went for a little quick test drive, but Jazz forgot the keys. I gave him the keys to my car, and he forgot them in his jacket. So now I'm stuck inside the dealership. Thanks, Jazz. But dude, first impressions, car looks very cool. It's like a little rocket. Rocket in the sense of what it looks like, but not actually how fast it is. You know what? While they're on their test drive, might as well look around the little showroom here. Dude, this thing caught my eye. What an ultimate family car. CX-90? Look at the interior on this. Damn. Let's do a little quick little first impressions of this. What is this, a 2025? 2024 Mazda CX-90 in blue. All right. Wow. Dude, Mazda's taken some crazy changes in their whole lineup, because what is this? We got fabric in there with the leather and the chrome. Oh damn. The ghost is pushing the door in. Okay, I'm gonna try to sit in this thing here. Alright. Damn. Bose surround system in this. Fancy. Gigantic screen. Not too shabby. Yo, this is clean. What the heck? No way. My drive, very unique looking shifter. Steering wheel's very Mazda, leather, super nice. Can't really, no complaints there. Probably all heated, I assume. Bunch of cameras. Double, nice, man. Got some double, what is this called? Double armrest. Split armrest, double, whatever. Very comfortable. But damn, imagine having a family in here. How many seats is that? That's 3 there, 2 captains here with the split armrest too. Damn, man. Yeah, this is baller. So, super baller 2024 Mazda CX-90. This is probably the full, like the highest trim you can buy, but dude, fabric in here. I don't know if this is like a sound bar, but this is an interesting touch. I don't know how I feel about it. So it's fabric, like wood-ish, whatever that is, plastic maybe, vinyl, leather. It's a lot going on for me personally, but pretty cool car nonetheless. Very big, a lot of visibility, and yeah, man. Panel roof, very cool. I wonder how the test drive is going. Oh wait, dude, they're actually back. No way. I'm gonna go out there now. I just came out here and I missed the roof being taken off, but we'll ask them how their thoughts went on this. Alright, we're just going to the next spot, but the Miata was very cool. Just what are your thoughts on it? If you want to let the audience know.
Yeah, no, it was sick, man. Like, it's like fully what I'm looking for. Something two-door, sporty, and but nothing with too much power. And that one, since I already have the soft top Miata, I want something that's like hard top so I can drive it all year round in the winter. And I got a lot of plans on it, so yeah, it's definitely like up there for the cars that I want, because I want a lot of cars, but the first car I get right now is something that I can make a lot of videos on and all that stuff. So yeah, this one checks all the boxes for now.
Awesome. Are you having second guesses about the one we're about to go see, or?
Oh yeah, that one, like, I've drove it, like, remember we went to drive it like a couple of years back? I didn't like have a good reaction, but that car was like busted up too, so like,
yeah, I feel like it was a lemon, that shit.
Yeah,
man.
that was a lemon, because it felt like as soon as I started driving it, I knew this was not the one.
Yeah.
But with this one, this transmission felt good and everything, so the next car we go, let's see how it feels compared to this one. Now that we drove a low kilometer one first.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be the other way around, but things didn't work out, so
it's all good.
Let's see.
With movie magic, it'll be the way we want it.
Yeah. But yeah.
That's awesome thing. One thing for the context on that other car we drove years back. What year was that? Probably 2021
or 2020? I don't know.
Yeah, 2020. 2022, I think. You know why?
No, it was before we got the Miata.
Was it?
Yeah, because I was looking for cars at that time, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. Then I remember it was in Guelph. But yo, the dealership that we went to was hilarious. It was this like sketchy dealership, one of those small ones, and then
Private dealership.
Yeah, like a private dealer. And the guy was just like, yeah, okay. There was like nobody there when we got there, I remember. And then he just randomly showed up and he gave us the keys and he's like, alright, enjoy. And then we took it for a drive and it was just like, yeah, not the car, man.
Yeah.
We both were so underwhelmed.
Yeah, because like that was like the car I wanted before the Mazda 3.
Yeah. Wow, this lady behind me didn't want to let me merge. Like, screw off, dude. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna go test it out. Hopefully a better, cleaner car, this one, and then we'll give you our thoughts soon. Damn, we got Canada's Wonderland. We're so close. For all the American people watching, this is our Six Flags. I'm gonna go and do POV roller coaster reviews this summer here, so stay tuned for that.
Hey, are we getting an Aston Martin today?
Oh, we'll be back for that delivery day.
That's for next year.
Yeah. Oh, there's a Lambo dealer here. Okay, I didn't know that.
Grand Touring.
Yeah.
Alright guys, the first dealership we're going to is the Subaru. Good old trusty reliable Subarus.
How about left right in here?
Can you guys guess what car I'm gonna be test driving right now? Drop it in the comments if you can guess it.
The electric EV.
All
right
these
here.
cars, what are we gonna test drive? What are we gonna test drive?
Jazz just went in there to introduce himself to the guy and then probably come out here. I don't know where the car is. I don't really see it, but I just want to come on here and say, your boy's hungry. Damn. Feel like a big back saying that, but your boy's hungry, man. What can we do? Hopefully, I'm getting some tacos tonight with a friend. So I think I'm gonna just hold off till then. Taco reviews coming soon. Also, let me know what you guys think about this angle here. I know it's not like my full driving angle, but you know, just for the ease of having conversation and ease of like looking around and whatever, I kind of like this, man. I might, you know, introduce it to more videos. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think down below. It's been one of those moments where I've been waiting in here for maybe 10 minutes. And I feel like I gotta go in there to make sure he's okay and not getting kidnapped. So I'm gonna go see what's up, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, it does say pre-owned vehicles are over there. Let's see. Let's go invest. Jeez, look at the similarities. We've got the TS here with the Miata. Brembos. Wheels. Great. I don't think these have Brembos in the back either.
You want to see it from the inside?
Nice gentleman. Getting the keys for us. That's awesome. Yo, this one's got Brembos in the back. And this reminds me of my friend Sebi. He's got one of these. I did one of his reviews on my channel. Can't go on. It's a cool plate. Roll this flat. We'll check out the inside. I don't think they did anything else different on these. Probably suspension, and maybe we'll see what's different on the inside. But honestly, I just see the Brembo brakes. That's different. And then the colors, I mean, Subaru, so can't go wrong with that. Very cool, man. Very, very cool. Oh, this guy, he just opened the car for us. The lights look super cool, man. Oh, it's got leather. And wait, I can't remember. Yeah, Alcantara on the inside, right? Alcantara inserts there. Not too shabby. Dang. What are we looking at, brother? Screen looks the same. Smells good in here. Smells like a brand new car. Not bad. 6-speed as well.
What's that?
Super
Camera?
cool. Yeah.
You saw me?
GoPro.
It's so small. Look at that.
Yeah. It's like I just carry it around, just like record little videos here and there. Yeah.
You want to drive it for a short drive?
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna sit in this guy real quick just to get a little glimpse of it. Okay. STI push to start button, that's different. Track mode was there, heated seats was here. This is new. Alcantara inserts. So they're leather on the outside with like Alcantara all the way on the inside. That's kind of cool. Everything else kind of looks the same. I mean, I can't drive it, but maybe shorter throws, but that could totally be placebo. Don't quote me on that. Sport mode is new. I don't think that was there on the other one. But yeah, assuming Apple CarPlay here. Just little wheel. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool stuff. Gotta love these new cars. And the sound system all looks the exact same too, so super duper cool. Shout out the guy. And I think he's grabbing the keys to drive the other car we're here to see, which is also another BRZ. It's a used one, 2018, 2019, something like that. So we'll see and go from there. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I was gonna get a WRX TR when they were coming out. I actually had one on order in blue sapphire, so this is looking super bright and red. I think this is just the GT there. Not bad. Automatic, of course. Mine was going to be 6-speed, but I ended up getting the Lexus instead. I'm super happy with that choice, but neat car nonetheless. We test drove this one. Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is the beauty that we're here to test drive for my brother. So it's from my understanding a 2019 Subaru BRZ. Looking at, I think the Sport Tech version. It looks like it's got the LEDs in there with the wing in the back.
I'm gonna go test drive. I'll be back.
Sounds good, man. Enjoy the test drive. We're gonna get him kind of going out of here, and then we'll get his we'll get his thoughts on it after. But honestly, white looks clean. A lot of people here to look at this car, but it's a very fan favorite of all the sports car enthusiasts, if you feel me. So that's cool. Yo, absolute side note, I hope you guys are enjoying the video, because I'm having a hella lot of fun just recording without the GoPro on my head. I feel less silly and just like super chill. So we're gonna wait for Jazz to come back from the test drive. Unfortunately, only 2 seats in there, and insurance liability we can't be doing it. But we're gonna come back, and I got the keys this time, so I can at least chill in my car over there, so should be good. We just finished at the Subaru dealer, and what are your thoughts, Jazz?
Yeah, man. I don't know, the BRZ is not doing it for me, man. It's like, it feels the same as the last time we drove it. Even though that car was a lemon. This one is still in a better condition, you know, but I don't know. I think, yeah, BRZs are not for me. I wanted it a long time ago when they first came out, and I'm glad I didn't get it because I do enjoy my Mazda 3 more, and I got to learn manual on that car, so you know, it makes sense. But yeah, I think the second car we're gonna go look at right now is gonna be the one that is gonna get me. Yeah.
All right, dude, we're gonna move over. Actually, in my vlog, we're in real time, so when you guys go, this is the behind the scenes special here. When you guys go watch the video on his, it's gonna be in reverse order, but we're doing a real time here and raw.
Yeah.
But anyway, I think the BRZ, yeah, I'm glad you gave it a shot, and you know,
Yeah.
give it another full try. Honestly, at this point, you've given it like all the tries. I don't think it's written in the stars for the BRZ at all.
Like the Miata, I drove it. As soon as I got out of the parking lot, I was like, yep, this is the one, bro.
Yeah, dude, it was just sitting there. He had it washed, super nice. Like, dude, the salesman was super awesome, but
Yeah.
also the car itself sold itself,
Yeah.
right? Like,
And like really low kilometers. That's the
yeah,
thing, right?
I think that's the appeal with cars. Like, low kilometers is gonna get you the best deal, because regardless, like on resale, you're gonna fetch the most dollars.
Yeah,
So
as soon as the BRZ goes over 100,000 kilometers, it's
Yeah.
gonna drop in price.
they tank, bro.
Hella.
Exactly.
And 20K for a 100,000 kilometer car, a little bit too much.
Yeah.
When you're getting a fucking Miata with 20,000 kilometers for 10,000 more.
Yeah, but it's a better car, I feel, overall.
The Miata, yeah.
Yeah.
And has more of a cool factor, and it's also a convertible Targa top. Like, I always wanted a Targa top. I can't afford a Supra, so I gotta make do with this.
Hell yeah.
And then hopefully one day we'll get a Corvette.
Boom. That'll be nice. Corvettes are awesome. LS's. But yeah, I think the BRZ isn't written in the stars, but
Yeah.
definitely gonna go home and like think about that Miata a little bit, sleep on it, dream about it, and then we'll see what you decide. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of different kind of vlog style video, and let me know down below if you guys want more of these. Definitely more on the way. This was super fun for me to record, so I'm gonna do it regardless. I love y'all, but catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, all the YouTuber stuff, and cheers, man. Cheers, cheers, cheers.